You hate exercises. You feel too tired to work out. You tell yourself, I'll start next week. What if I told you that there are lazy ways to work out which actually works? Most people don't fail at exercise because they're weak. They fail because they think exercise must be long, intense, painful, and time-consuming. Your body doesn't always require intensity. It requires movement. According to global health recommendations from the World Health Organization, even moderate, accumulated activity improves health outcomes. Translation: small movement still counts. Here's the trick. Use the 5-minute rule. Don't commit to 30 minutes, just commit to 5. Move for just 5 minutes. March, do wall push-ups. Stretch your back. Most days, 5 minutes becomes 10. But even if it doesn't, you still win. Consistency beats intensity. You don't even have to leave your living room. While seated watching TV, raise your calf. Pace around the room while you scroll on your phone or making a call. Light walking improves circulation and helps regulate blood sugar spikes after meals. Why this works? Your body doesn't care where movement happens. It only cares that it happens. Small daily movement improves blood pressure, blood sugar, mood, circulation, joint health, and metabolism. Inactivity is more dangerous than imperfect exercise. The biggest mistake is waiting for motivation. Lazy exercise works because it removes resistance. You don't need to be a gym warrior. You just need to stop being completely still. Just 5 minutes and one habit at a time. Be lazy, but be smart. Because small daily movement today prevents big medical problems tomorrow. Subscribe now. If this video changed how you see exercise, then comment 5 minutes at a time. I want to see who's choosing smart movement.